All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. The truck has 19,633 miles. Shifts nice and smooth. That flickering you see right here, that's just in camera. That's not in person. Nothing flickers in here. Brakes feel solid. Steering wheel's nice and straight. Doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. No complaints with the truck, drives really nice. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections, and really just looking at the overall condition of the vehicle. Here on the front right wheel, it's in great condition. I don't see any rash. Got the Scorpion ATR tires. There's some decent tread left. Here on the fender, you're going to see these little faint scuffs, almost like some tree branches and whatnot kind of scuffed down the side. It's very subtle, especially being white, but you can see these little scuffs kind of making their way down the fender here. It looks like it's going down the door, so we'll scan that. You can see them on the side mirror here. Just these little bitty abrasions. Got a rock chip right there that was touched up really nice. A-pillar looks good. That one does catch my nail just a little bit. It's just very subtle. Looks like it goes all the way down. You do have some scratches right here. A couple on the bottom, a few rock chips here and there. Door looks good. Of course, it has those little scuffs. Very faint all the way down. I imagine a lot of that could be paint corrected out if you wanted it to be perfect. Little scuff here. I'm looking at that wheel, looks perfect. And then of course the bed has been used, so you're gonna have the scuff scratches in there. All the typical wear. Put a nice bed liner in there. It'll go away. All right, checking out the front end here. Scanning the hood. We'll start with that front edge. Looking for rock chips, things like that. Got a tiny chip there, a couple small scuffs. Other than that, it looks good. Headlight looks nice. Little chip here. Little chip right there. A couple small ones. Got a chip on the plastic, a little scuff. See, the alignment is off here just a little bit. That piece is kind of popping out. Looks like it'll snap back in. No fog lights. Other than that, that front end looks good. Looking at the engine bay, I'm just going to scan through some of this. Freshly detailed, looks really good. Scanning that fender. Overall looks really good. A couple water stains there. That wheel looks nice. Got a few little scuffs here. A-pillar looks good. You look really close, there's a couple water stains, but I don't see those little scratches down the side like you do on the other side. That door looks good. You can see a couple little surface scuffs right here. couple small chips. See a couple of very faint scuffs, but nothing like the other side. That wheel looks good. This side's really clean. A couple little scuffs here and there, a few stains on that plastic. Little notches here and there. Looking at the tailgate. Looks really good. A couple scratches on that back bumper. You have a gash right here with a dent. You got the parking sensors. A couple little gashes here. A few tiny scuffs on that taillight. Let's check out this one. That looks good. And you got the tow package here. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Do have the power windows here. The front two are automatic. And the back two, you just have to press and hold. A couple little scratches here on this plastic piece. Overall in good condition. Vinyl flooring. That trim looks nice. A little bit of wear on the bolster here. It's kind of flattened, but the rest of it's really good. That bolster looks amazing. Overall, that seat is in really good condition. Here on the steering wheel, this is not leather wrapped. There's all your buttons here. Those look good. Automatic headlights, electronic parking brake. I do see some scratches right here. You can see that in the plastic. Got the big screen. 4-wheel drive. All those buttons look good. All right, here on the front right door panel, overall in great condition. Got your power windows. Looks like they are automatic as well. And I do see some little scuffs here on that edge. A couple little scratches. That looks good. This does have the vinyl flooring. All that plastic is clean. That bolster looks good. This one's nice and clean. I do see a stain right there though. I don't see any rips or tears, and the cushion is really nice. You have some scuffs right there on that side of the console here, just from seat belts it looks like. Got a 12-volt port, 2 USB-C ports, which is really nice. Got the upper storage here. Lower glove box, couple scuffs. You have a little more storage up here. Overall, that dash looks nice. That visor looks good. I do see some stains on that visor and the ceiling. Other than that, that looks nice. A couple small stains here. Got your cup holder, and of course that seat flips up. That goes really far back. You do have some scratches right here. That trim looks nice. And you have some stains on the seat. Here on the back left door panel, a couple small scuffs, but otherwise in great condition. And of course, you do have some stains here on that bottom seat. That backside looks good though. Little scuff here.